In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create different legal entities in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. The first thing you will do is open the settings area because legal entities are managed through your organization setup. Look for settings, then click into organization structure. This is where Zoho People lets you define how your company is arranged, including the legal entities that sit at the top level. Once you are in organization structure, find configuration. This is an important checkpoint because the legal entity options will not work unless the organization structure feature is enabled. In configuration, locate the setting called Enable Organization Structure and toggle it to on. Give it a moment to apply. If the page refreshes or loads for a second, that is normal. Next, move to the Legal Entity tab. This section is where you can view and manage the legal entity information for your organization. If your account already has a default legal entity, you will see it listed here. If you are setting this up for the first time, you may see a placeholder or an existing entry that needs to be updated. Now select the option to edit the legal entity. Editing is the step where you assign the correct name that represents the business entity you want to track in Zoho People. When you open the edit view, enter the entity name carefully. Use the official, recognizable name that your team will expect to see in records and organizational views. Pay attention to spelling and formatting, since this label can show up in multiple places throughout the system. After you have entered the entity name, save your changes. Once saved, the updated legal entity should appear in the Legal Entity tab with the new name. If you are not seeing the change right away, wait a moment and confirm that the save was successful, then check the list again. That covers everything you need to know.